Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can walk like a model in Barry Avenue roleplay. So if you want to walk like a true fashion icon in Barry Avenue, instead of walking just like this, you can just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can perfect your model walk and add elegant animations and slay the game. So what you need to do is just open the Berry Avenue, and you can just tap on the arrow and tap on the avatar options. Now you can just tap on the menu in here and go to the animations. Tap on that, and here click on the custom options. And as you guys can see here, there's no image or no preview in here, but what you need to do to get the catwalk animations is just go to the second row in here and choose the second to last custom animation. You can click on this to row M. You'll see this is the catwalk animation. Here you can just tap on where, but you need to click on it a few times because sometimes it might not work. But once you equip or acquire this animation, you'll walk like a model. So if you are not success now, you can try again later or in a few minutes. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.